Welcome back friends, this is Udit Tomar and you are watching Ultra Technical. Friends, in this video I'll tell you how to get free images for your Adobe Premiere Pro video editor. Friend, this is my ongoing series, that is Adobe Premiere Pro Basics to Master, and I'll create more videos on Adobe Premiere Pro. So without further ado, let's get started. So friends, here there are two sections in this Word file, that is free websites and paid websites. Friends, in free website, this is for those who don't want to pay money for your images, and this section is for those who can pay money for getting more best images for your video editing. So let me just copy this free Pixabay unsplash pic jumbo pixels.com. So these are the 5 free websites from where you can get your free images. So let me just move to these websites. freepic.com, let me just copy second one and move to that website. I'll just copy and open all the websites. After that I will tell you more about this pic jumbo. Sorry for that. So friends, here is my first website, that is freepic.com. Let me just search for vampire. As there are some images but not satisfying me, so let me just search for ethical hacking. Here are the results for ethical hacking. You can search Adobe. So this is my first website, freepic.com. Let me just move to my second website. Here I will search for vampire again. Let me just see from where I will get this. Friends, as you can see in this website, I got vampire searched finally, and I can take these images from here. It is adult content. Let me just see. This image looks quite good. So this is my second website, that is Pixabay. Oh, sorry for that. I think this website is quite popular. Let me just move to the third website, that is Unsplash. Again search for vampire. I am not obsessed with this word, just searching. Ethical hacker. Let me just search hacking. There are all the images related to hacking which you can use. Third, search for Kali Linux. Let me see what I'll get. No images. Sorry, missing spelling. As you can see, pick jumbo. I'm not getting what I want from this website. Still, this website is good. If you can find, hope you will find what you want from this website. Let me just move to my fifth website, that is Pixels. This website is also quite popular. Here I am getting what I want, like hacking and ethical hacking photos. So friend, these are the 5 websites from which you can get free images for your video editing. Hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching.